Anirvan, welcome back to my Geekery channel. Today I am going to unboxing the new flagship phone, that's Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 over here. एक like तो बनता है my friends, it motivates me a lot. अगर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, please सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. So let's see. These are all the accessories which are there inside the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 box. At the back of the phone, this one is a Samsung branding, the fingerprint scanner, the 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel dual camera with dual tone LED flash, and at the top there is a dual SIM slot, and at the right side there is a power on off button. At the bottom there is a USB-C port, the 3.5mm headphone jack, the speaker wheel and the noise cancellation microphone, and this one is a S Pen mode. And at the left side this one is a Bixby button, with that the volume up and button over here. At the front there is a 8 megapixel camera with LED notification light, and there are many more sensors over here. The first one is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 box. At the back of the box, the 128GB version. So this one is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. The build quality is really a premium quality, and this one is a glass design with a metal rim over here, and it looks very much similar to the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. But this time here the main changes is in this particular S Pen. This means the Samsung has done a very brilliant job with the S Pen. So that's a very interesting thing, and overall the display is very much gorgeous. This Samsung Galaxy Note 9 sports a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, and this phone has a 6GB RAM version, 128GB internal that cost almost 68,999. And इसका जो प्रोसेसर है Exynos 9810 octa-core processor. The primary clock speed is 2.7 GHz and the secondary is 1.7 GHz. So it's definitely a fast processor. It is more than a Snapdragon 845, and it has a 12 megapixel camera plus 12 megapixel camera, and this time the aperture is f1.5. That's a very interesting thing. Then Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and the front is a 8 megapixel camera, and both this front as well as in the rear they supports the OIS. So that's a very interesting thing. And one thing, the main highlight of the phone is the 4000 milliampere battery they are giving. So best of luck for the Samsung. Let's go inside the settings, what Android version they are giving. So about phone, the software information, the Android 8.1.0, that's a audio out of the box you are getting. If you talk about the storage, then the storage is almost out of 128GB you are getting almost 110GB free, 109.3, and I haven't installed any of the apps till now. This time the Samsung has done a brilliant job with the S Pen, and this time they have preloaded almost all the new things inside this S Pen, and you can also tell that this is a Bluetooth S Pen type. So that's a very interesting thing. And see, there is a live message, the translate, the screen write, the smart select, the view all notes, create a note, everything written over here. Whatever you feel like you can just write it over here and just save it. Fantastic. This is also having the live message. Just press it over here, write everything whatever you feel like, then it's done, and just see it is just getting saved now. So that's very interesting thing. ये S Pen का और भी सारा features है. You can also click some photos from the S Pen also. That's a very interesting thing. अब देखो, आप कैमरे पे जाइए, अब देखिए, आप इस पे जस्ट एक बार दबाइए, देखिए फोटो कैप्चर हो गया. अब देखिए ये फोटो कैप्चर हो गया. अब देखिए दूसरा बार, अब ये डबल प्रेस कीजिए, 1 2, देखिए अब सेल्फी मोड पे आ गया है. अगेन प्रेस कीजिए, डबल टैप, अगेन ईयर पे गया है. तो इसमें बहुत सारी फीचर्स है, एंड ये फ़ोन के अंदर में जब रहते हैं ये 40% चार्ज ऑटोमेटिकली ले लेता है. इट्स वेरी मच इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग माय फ्रेंड्स. इस बार सैमसंग ने S Pen को लेकर एक पूरा धूम मचा दिया. वन न्यू इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो अनलॉक योर फोन फ्रॉम जस्ट डायरेक्ट S Pen. आप इस पे एक बार क्लिक कीजिए, देखिए फोन लॉक अनलॉक हो गया. देखिए अगेन वन मोर, अब अगेन क्लिक कीजिए एक बार, अब देखिए फोन अनलॉक हो गया. So let's talk about the fingerprint scanner and the face unlock. How it works? 1 2 3, it unlocks. Again 1 2 3, it unlocks. The fingerprint scanner is very much fast. And if you talk about the face unlock feature, just tap it over here. Just put your face in the front of your phone. Yes, it opens. Again 1 2 3. Again, yes, it opens. It takes almost half a second, but it's very much fast. Previous more than Note 8 also. Let's talk about the camera quality of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Here the 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel dual camera, but this time the aperture is f1.5. So that's very good thing from the Samsung. And let's click one photo over here. Just tap it, and the shutter speed is very much fast, and the color quality is absolutely fantastic, my friends. And this pink color looks really very much pink, and the color is very much punchier and vivid too. And with that, you are also having the live focus, the portrait mode, the pro, the panorama, the AR emoji, the hyperlapse, everything you are getting. That's very much interesting thing. And if you talk about the front facing camera, then also the selfie mode here, the 8 megapixel front facing camera. Hello YouTube. The shutter speed is very much fast and accurate. See, there is no sorts of color tints over here. EOS 750D is very much sharp, and you can see every pores from my face. And really, and you are getting the selfie focus, you are also getting the portrait mode, the AR emoji, the white selfie you are getting, and see AR emoji. And इसके कैमरा में टेलीफोटो लेंस है, इस पर क्लिक कीजिए, देखिए, और थोड़ा जूम हो जाएगा, अगेन जूम कम हो जाएगा, तो इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. And if you talk about the video settings, then also the video size, you can record the video at Ultra HD 60 fps, that's the 3840 into 2160. And if you talk about the front facing camera, then also you can record the QHD video shoot. देखिए QH 2560 into 1440, and this front as well as the rear also supports the OIS. And ये फ़ोन में और भी सारी फीचर्स है, एडवांस फीचर्स है, स्मार्ट स्टे है, गेम्स है, 100 मोड है, फिंगर सेंसर जेस्चर्स है, स्मार्ट कैप्चर, palm swipe to capture, the smart alert, easy mute, everything you are getting or more than that. And I will definitely make a separate video of this, some twistness of this particular phone. एंड इसके साथ जो है, एंड इसका परफॉर्मेंस अभी के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. एंड इसका जो डे टू डे टास्क है, मल्टीटास्किंग है, इज़ वेरी मच स्मूथ. आई हैवंट फील्ड एनी सच ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. एंड इसका जो बैटरी है, इसका कमाल का बैटरी है, कमाल का चार्जिंग है. ये फ़ोन में जो प्राइस है 68,000 करीब, एंड अभी जो iPhone XS Max जो लॉन्च किया उसका प्राइस 1,09,000, जस्ट स्टार्टिंग प्राइस अप टू 1,44,000. सैमसंग ने बहुत ही अच्छा किया है, जिस 70,000 के रुपया में ये फ़ोन में जो फीचर्स दिया है, जो परफॉर्मेंस दिया है, इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द मार्केट. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is one of the best flagship device till now in 2018. हाँ, Google Pixel 3 XL भी आ जाएगा कुछ ही दिनों में. iPhone XS Max भी लॉन्च हो गया, लेकिन iPhone तो छोड़ दो, वो आउट ऑफ बजट हो गया. लेकिन 70,000 के अंदर इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फोन दैट आई कैन एश्योर यू. इसका जो सारी फीचर्स है बहुत एडवांस लेवल पे है, more than Note 8 also. And I have also used the Note 8 before in 2017. I have also did the unboxing video of the Note 8. If you haven't watch that video also. And this Note 9 is very much good. And जो भी इसका प्रॉब्लम्स होगा, जो भी नहीं होगा, जो अच्छा है बुराई, I will definitely tell later in this video. I will give you a complete review of this. The advanced camera features भी है, सब कुछ है. So this is all about for today. Till now, bye bye, Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.